Hello everybody, today we'll tap into my nostalgia. This is the first gaming console that I've bought with my own money, used from a friend. It's a first-gen PSP and I've played it a lot, but it has a couple of things that always bothered me. First of all, the front cover is ruined in a couple of spots, and then the UMD disc cover. It doesn't close perfectly and is pretty annoying. Those should be easy fixes. I've bought the replacement covers and we'll start by removing the front one. After removing the 6 screws that hold everything in place, we need to unlock the front buttons and the screen, but be careful because it is very delicate. Also, we need to remove it because behind the LCD there are 2 small screws that hold the disc cover. In fact, we can, at this point, just unlatch it from the bottom left corner and simply slide it up. The replacement is installed by latching the top and being careful to insert the spring in the groove on the right side of the cover itself. After doing everything, I can see for the first time the lid of my PSP closing as it should, with no space or jiggle. Now we are going to reassemble the front, and to do that we need to transplant everything into the new cover. While doing that, I'm also going to clean the inside and the buttons that have some tape that I've put there 15 years ago. I don't know what I was thinking when I put it there. After reconnecting and closing pretty much everything, I realized that I forgot the screws for the disc cover, but after a quick disassemble, everything was fine. All the button works and I can finally enjoy my PSP as Sony intended, without scratches on the front and play in the disc cover. I hope you enjoyed this dip into my past, I really did. Also, remember to check your old PSP batteries, a lot of them are actually swallowing and need to be disposed properly. As usual, I invite you to subscribe and leave a like, it really helps me. Also, write in the comment if your batteries are okay. 2 of the 3 batteries that I own are actually swollen and I need to dispose them. I'm Leo and I'll see you next time, but in the meanwhile, remember to keep things alive.